Spring is officially here and you can feel it, not just in the weather, but also in the market. If you've been out to any open houses lately, you probably already know what I'm about to say. The spring market has arrived. We're seeing lines at open houses. Showings are picking up across the board. And just to give you a real example, one of the homes my client was interested in a central Jersey town, had over 100 groups of visitors in a single weekend. That's not normal winter activity. That's a spring demand fully switched on. Let's take a look at the data. Looking at the latest showing activity report for West Windsor and Plainsboro, the 600 to 700K price range alone accounted for about 22% of all showings. That's the highest concentration of buyer activity right now. We're also seeing strong activity in 900K to 1.2 million range, particularly around move-up homes. Now let's talk about what's actually available. In Plainsboro, the median list price is around $625,000 with an average around $750K. Days on market are still hovering around 40 to 90 days depending on the pricing, condition, and type of houses. In West Windsor, the market is a bit higher. Median price is around 900K. Average price is just over 900K as well. And some homes are going pending in as little as 5 to 15 days. So yes, there are more listings coming on the market, but supply is still not keeping up with demand, especially for well-priced homes. Let me connect the dots for you. The 500K to 700K single-family homes range is extremely competitive right now. And here's why. It's not just attracting buyers looking for smaller houses, it's also attracting townhouse buyers. When buyers compare a townhouse with HOA fees versus a smaller single-family home with no HOA at the same price point, many are choosing the single-family home for more privacy, no monthly fees, fewer restrictions. That shift is creating intense competition in that price segment. Now let's talk honestly for a moment. Affordability is still a real issue, and we're seeing it show up in very specific ways. Some buyers are choosing to keep renting. They're simply not comfortable stretching financially. Some buyers adjusting their price point downward. For example, buyers who were looking at million and above homes are now focusing below 1 million. Buyers are less willing to take on project. If our home needs work and is priced like it doesn't, buyers are walking away. Even in a low inventory market, condition and the pricing still matter a lot. This is where the market gets a little tricky. On one hand, buyers are more selective, are more thoughtful, are more cautious about overpaying. But on the other hand, when the right house comes along, they move fast, very fast. Over the past few months, we've seen 2 to 5 offers per listing as fairly typical. Now, we're seeing 10 plus or 15 plus offers. In fact, one of my clients competed in a different town with 21 offers. So yes, competition is still very real. If you are a seller, especially with a single family home, you're still in a strong position. But here's the key. It's not just about listing your home. It's about preparing it properly, pricing it strategically, and positioning it correctly. Because buyers today are not just competing, they're also comparing. The homes that win are the ones that feels like they're worth it. If you are a buyer, here's the honest advice. More listings doesn't mean more time on your side. The market is moving quickly and the preparation matters more than ever. That means have your financing fully ready, understand your numbers, know your strategy. The worst time to ask questions is the night you're trying to submit an offer. This market isn't slow. It's not out of control either. It's simply selective and fast at the same time. And the difference between success and frustration right now, preparation and strategy. If you are thinking about buying or selling in West Windsor, Plainsboro, or nearby towns, I'm always happy to walk you through what's happening based on your particular situation. Have a great week. Talk soon.